Unboxing the meaning of snow boots in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to unwrap the meaning behind a common English phrase that often pops up during the winter season: snow boots. Whether you're a seasoned learner or just starting out, understanding this term will not only expand your vocabulary but also help you picture a very practical aspect of English-speaking cultures. So, let's march into the snowy world of this interesting phrase. When we talk about snow boots, we're referring to a type of footwear designed specifically for walking in snow. Unlike regular boots, snow boots are made to keep your feet warm and dry in cold and wet conditions. They often have a high side to prevent snow from entering the boot, are insulated for warmth, and have a waterproof or water-resistant material. They are essential for anyone looking to venture out in snowy climates. The phrase, snow boots, is made up of two words. Snow refers to the frozen, crystalline water ice that falls from the sky during winter. It covers the ground in a white blanket, which can be both beautiful and challenging to navigate. Boots are a type of footwear that covers not only the feet but also the ankles and sometimes extends up the leg. When combined, these words create a compound noun that represents a product designed for a specific weather condition, in this case, snow. Understanding how to use the phrase, snow boots, in context can be incredibly helpful. I need to buy a sturdy pair of snow boots for my ski trip next month. Make sure to pack your snow boots. The forecast says there will be heavy snowfall. Her snow boots kept her feet warm and dry all through the winter hike. In each instance, the term directly relates to an activity or condition associated with snow, indicating the practicality of the boots in such situations. Snow boots are not only functional. They're also a cultural icon in regions with cold winters. They symbolize preparation for winter and can be seen in various forms in fashion, outdoor sports, and survival gear. Knowing about snow boots helps you understand a bit more about life and activities in cold climates. We hope this quick dive into the term, snow boots, has shed some light on this practical yet fascinating piece of winter vocabulary. Whether you're bracing for a snowy adventure or just exploring the English language, remember that each phrase opens up a window into the culture and lifestyle of English speakers. Keep learning and stay warm out there. See you in the next video.